Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to share folder or effect link on Instagram. Alright, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone and let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to swipe right my screen to open the Instagram camera. Okay, and we can select the folder or effect that we want to share, and we can scroll our screen like this to find the folder or the effect. And for example, I'm just going to select this folder and I'm going to share this folder or effect to my friends. So we can click on the folder like this, and you can click on send to. If you click on send to, it means that you want to send this folder to your Instagram friends. But if you want to share the link, you can click on the share effect link. If you select this option, you will be able to share the link to another application. You can share it to WhatsApp and Telegram, Facebook. It's up to you, and you can select one of them, or you can also copy the link right here. Okay, and now the link has been copied to the clipboard, and we will be able to share this link to WhatsApp, Telegram, or so on. Alright guys, and that's how we can share folder or effect link on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.